Newsflash! You can score 83 to 95% of the marks needed to get a grade 4 pass just by understanding how to manipulate fractions properly. Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around to find out more. Hello everyone, welcome to Gill Learning. In this video, I want to show you how depth over breadth can land you a pass in GCSE Maths. And if you're aiming higher, maybe because you're eyeing up a fascinating and high-paying STEM career, then this very same solid foundation is your springboard to future success. Now, I'm here talking to you today because I'm passionate about improving maths education, and I genuinely believe that everyone can pass GCSE Maths. Yes, I've got a master's degree in theoretical physics, and now I work in autonomous vehicles as an engineer and a consultant. So, sure, maths has always been my thing, I guess. But I know it's not everyone's thing, and more importantly, I've worked with countless students who felt that way too. So, how do I know that you can do it? Well, because truth be told, you only need around 20% to pass. That's just 1 in 5 marks. Here's the last 3 years' grade boundaries for the 3 big exam boards to prove it. Now, despite this, every year around 180,000 students fail GCSE Maths. So if you're facing a resit, please know, you are not alone. But can you get 1 in 5 marks? Or at the top end on there in AQA, 1 in 4 marks? Well, yes, you absolutely can. And we're about to throw you the lifeline you need to succeed. You should check out our Fractions Deep Dive Preparing for Algebra course, where, using just Year 6 and Year 7 fractions knowledge, the first 2 building blocks of algebra, and a dash of mathematical thinking, we achieve 95% of the marks needed for that grade 4 pass on AQA and 83% on Edexcel. No trig, no straight line graphs, no circle theorems, nor vectors were needed. All we used is what's on screen. This is our depth over breadth approach yielding real results. How is this possible, I hear you ask? Well, after completing our course, where we've got 55 short videos for you, plus worksheets and fully worked solutions, you'll be an absolute fractions ninja. You will have confidently taken your first steps into the world of algebra and found that these grown-up algebraic expressions play by the same old rules as regular fractions. Yes, we're offering a different doorway into algebra. Master fractions, and you can master algebra almost for free. And suddenly you'll find yourself tackling a surprising number of GCSE questions. If it sounds too good to be true, check out the free sample videos on our website and judge for yourself. Links in the description. And more great news, our brand new problem solving course for GCSE will drop next month. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up to our email newsletter to be sure not to miss the launch announcement. If you can worm your way out of mowing the lawns at the weekend, and goodness knows I can, then you already know how it feels for a plan to come together, and you're going to love this short course. We'll unleash your innate problem-solving skills on those 4, 5 and 6 mark GCSE Maths questions. After all, humans are naturally biological problem-solving machines. In the meantime, you can watch our video all about tactics for GCSE problem solving here. Let's return to our revelation that somewhere between 83 and 95% of the marks needed on higher for a grade 4 pass are up for grabs for those who complete our Fractions Deep Dive course. Now, if that's not enticing enough, what if I told you that almost all of those marks came from foundation paper questions that were literally duplicated on the higher papers? In fact, on the Edexcel higher papers, there were only 5 questions that were unique to the higher tier. If that sounds confusing, then you're clearly not in the know, so you should check out our other video where we reveal all the secrets of your GCSE Maths papers, including the rather hush-hush 20% overlap between the tiers. If you've made it this far, then maybe Gill Learning is a good fit for you. So, whether you're resitting, looking to build a solid foundation before moving on to A-levels, or you simply want to open new doors to GCSE Maths success, then you can head to our website, check out the course links in this video's description, and be sure to watch our other videos here.